All right, everyone, are you guys going to VidCon this year? Which is actually in a few days because our entire crew is heading out there and you might even end up in one of our videos. We're bringing our cameras, our team, and a ton of energy as we walk the convention floor, linking up with other creators, freelancers, videographers, entrepreneurs, and really anyone with an interesting story to tell. We'll be asking creators about their biggest business challenges, their best advice, and how they're growing their business today, and what's actually working in today's creator economy. So if you see us walking around VidCon, don't be shy, come say hello. And even better, let's chat about your challenges and your goals. You might be interviewed, maybe you'll join us in a video, maybe, or even help us create content right there on the spot. So drop a comment below and let me know if you'll be there and what you're looking forward to. And if you're not attending, that's too bad, but we got you covered. Make sure you subscribe right now because we'll be releasing exclusive VidCon content, creator interviews, business insights, and behind the scenes footage, and that you won't pretty much see anywhere else. So I'm super excited to build this community, and I will see all of you at VidCon.